This is the opportunity of a lifetime for people that have businesses and brands out there. Email us right now at advertise@hiphopun.com and you will get an opportunity to put your brand right in front of each video that we do. And let me tell you, the prices are crazy affordable. You definitely can afford it. Email us right now, advertise. You already know what it is. Hip Hop News Uncensored. This video is brought to you by hiphopun.com, which is our official website. All right, you see the title, you see the thumbnail. Let's get to the story, right? Now, 6ix9ine, right, is reportedly missing. This according to his attorneys. Now, his law firm, Meloni McCaffrey, gave notice to U.S. District Judge Hector Gonzalez that it plans to immediately process their withdrawal and will no longer provide legal counsel to 6ix9ine, who, as we know, his real name is Daniel Hernandez. Right now, get to a little bit more of the story. In an official statement, attorney Robert Meloni, right, explained his numerous issues with his client, including their lack of communication. He goes on to say, from 2001 until about March 2022, I have sporadic communications directly with Mr. Hernandez and mainly communicated with him via text, Meloni wrote, right? And no disrespect to the name, man. I mean, at the beginning of the representation until March 2022, I communicated almost entirely with Mr. Kobe, the business manager for Mr. Hernandez, right? Now, and his companies, whenever I needed to consult with someone about this action or other matters I was handling for Mr. Hernandez. And Mr. Kobe would act as a liaison. However, Mr. Kobe resigned as business manager for Mr. Hernandez in March of 2022. Meloni also noted that he would discuss legal matters with 6ix9ine's brother Oscar Hernandez on occasions, but the two haven't communicated on the phone, by email, or text. He goes on to say there is now a total breakdown of communication between Mr. Hernandez and the firm. Mr. Hernandez's last communication with me took place early March 2022, relating to one other of his litigations. Finally, I just learned Mr. Hernandez has changed his phone number, which he did not tell me about himself. He did not provide me with his new mobile number. Now, due to the inability to locate 6ix9ine, the withdrawal letter was sent in. And it says, because the firm has no current physical address for Mr. Hernandez, the firm plans to request that the court permit service of the firm's anticipated motion by way of email to Mr. Hernandez's brother, Oscar Hernandez, right? Now, the firm will send a copy of the letter to Oscar as well. So they're saying they don't have an address. We don't know what his due date is. He's not communicating with us. The last known address we had was his brother. Maybe his brother can get it to him. Maybe he's living with his brother. So you don't have an address, right? I'm going to break this down, right? Now, being on the outs with his lawyers is just the latest legal problem with 6ix9ine. In September, he lost a bid, as you know, to trademark his own stage name, and that's small in comparison to what he got going on with his legal troubles and whatnot. So yeah, they're saying that he's missing, MIA, in action. Sounds to me like he don't want to deal with his legal issues. I'm not gonna say he don't have the money. It sounds to me like he don't want to deal with whatever. He's being sued, lawsuits out the yin yang. I don't know how music is going for him, but it could. And I'm not saying for the average Joe. I mean, he's successful, but in rap terms or whatever, you just really don't know. Everything could be facade. It could be this and that. And I'm sure deep down inside, he's just burning inside this dude, like. That what he did, no matter how much, you get the persona and this, that, deep inside is probably bothering him, that he really can't just be himself out in the streets, right? You got to put on this act, put on this facade. Now you're ducking your own attorneys. They're withdrawn, which is never a good thing, because it's like, yo, you hired these people to help you, probably paid them great money, and now they don't even want to be bothered with you, so. It is what it is, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about 6ix9ine's lawyer saying he went missing. He fell off. He's not contacting them. It is what it is, man. Hey, man, this video is brought to you by hiphopun.com. Hiphop, is our official website. The link is at the top line of the description box. Go check out the website right now. All this beautiful, beautiful articles. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, on the way out, smash that like button. That's the thumbs up button. And make sure that you guys subscribe to Hip Hop News Uncensored so you're locked in for breaking stories like this and all the interviews that we got going up every day. It's your boy Ogot, man. I appreciate you, man. Hip Hop Uncensored is the vibe. So subscribe. Go ahead and hit that button. Peace.